Shoppers no longer tolerate a poor online experience. Today, every online experience must be positive. Unfortunately, websites are often hard to navigate and riddled with bugs. Less than user-friendly, many are user-hostile. Potential customers turn away, abort visits and abandon baskets. With website design, what matters is what the users think. Recognised for their extensive web testing abilities, retail systems experts, PMC, use eye tracking technology to give retailers an invaluable user's eye view of their website.
Retailers must provide shoppers with faultless, easy-to-use websites. They must implement a right first time approach. It's not acceptable to launch a site without first-class usability testing. It's important to find issues and potential frustrations before your customers do. That's because online faults will cost you customers, reputation and money. Eye tracking technology enables us to show real-world results and how users interact with your sites. Improving website usability also offers important potential financial benefits. The average conversion ratio for a retail website is around 5%. Therefore, a 1% increase in conversion to 6% would drive a huge increase in sales. For example, £200,000 if your annual web turnover is £1 million, £2 million for an annual web turnover of £10 million, and £20 million on an annual web turnover of £100 million. Those figures make a 1% improvement highly attractive.
PMC can run an eye tracking survey at a retailer's site or at their Abingdon laboratory. An infrared eye tracker embedded in the screen records each user's interaction with a site, how they see it, where their eyes fall on the page, where their eyes rest, for how long, and how they navigate a site. Words, colours and images attract the human eye for many reasons, not all of them good. What some users see as eye-catching could draw others away from more useful and important areas, or turn them off entirely. Each survey produces a range of reports. These include heat maps, gaze plots, gaze capacity maps, and cluster diagrams, each providing valuable information for site development and page layout. Using colour graphical representations in a two-dimensional map, heat maps show how long users spend looking at a specific part of the screen, because they're reading information or reacting to a particular image or colour. Gaze plots show movement sequence, order and duration of gaze fixation to show how users' eyes move around the screen. The plots also track the order that each user looks at the screen layout. Gaze capacity maps work much like heat maps, highlighting areas that users look at the longest. However, rather than displaying colour coding, these maps black out the areas that users ignore. Cluster diagrams outline the percentage of users that focus on a particular part of a page, such as a promotion or special offer. They also indicate which areas receive users' attention for the longest periods of time. Once a survey is complete, PMC interviews each user to record their feelings about the site and how they rate the experience. Combining user interviews with an eye tracking survey provides valuable real-world feedback on the user experience and highlights issues and problems. PMC also captures video and voice data as users interact with a website. This gives visual and audio evidence of users' frustrations, such as comments or facial expressions. Recently, Carpetright, the largest flooring retailer in Europe, commissioned PMC to review their new websites using eye tracking technology. The results enabled Carpetright to make changes based on user experience.
We wanted our online presence to be industry leading, and that meant it had to be right first time. PMC's approach ensured we had an excellent customer proposition from day one. The eye tracking technology was fantastic because it enabled us to see how real customers would interact with our websites. It enabled us to see where customers are looking and, just as importantly, where they're not looking. This is incredibly valuable when you're trying to build an online business, and it heavily influenced the designs of both the Sleeprite and the Carpetright websites. It's very important that you communicate effectively with customers, and the eye tracking software enabled us to do just that.
PMC's wide-ranging experience of e-commerce, combined with their use of eye tracking technology, enables them to offer retailers an extensive range of web testing services. Importantly, it also means that PMC can help retailers develop a customer-focused e-commerce solution that customers want to use.